Ever run into an issue where you can press the quick capture, record, the camera's on, capture the footage, and then simply come over to the mode on, shut the camera off, and you're all done? You start to put the camera away and you realize your pocket's getting hot. Let me shut the camera off again, make sure I turn it off. I watch the camera this time. It's off. And there it goes, turns on. A lot of us don't know to hit the mode on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, for at least 30 seconds, which is what I am doing, and then simply let go. The 10-second plus 2 and the 30-second plus 2 will not get rid of the issue. The only way we can get rid of this issue at this given time, which is a bug, is to gently open up the side door, grab the tab, easy, pull it out. You can press the buttons on the top, and you can press the buttons again on the side for a number of seconds. That will sometimes release any type of drain. The flicker is quite normal. That's a reading of the SD card. So let's go ahead and take our quick capture, which we can. And we are on time warp, which gives an additional issue to the camera. So it's not just one issue, it can be a combination of a number of issues. But the time warp is a known issue since the beginning of the GoPro Hero 8. Now the camera no longer turns on unless you manually turn it on. You can now hit record because you're back into the regular way of your camera. You can stop the recording, and then you can simply 3+ seconds the camera shuts down. 5 more seconds, we are good. So now we can close up the camera and try to figure out, well, what has caused that issue? I have manually reflashed firmware, I have factory reset the camera, and I am going to again format the card, but full in the PC. A 64 gig will take 30+ minutes to format. And will the issue come back? It is a random issue. It comes and goes. So I hope when you have an issue like so, you know that you need to pull the battery, put it back in, let GoPro know that they have this issue so they can resolve it in the future. There's no fix for this issue, and that I want to thank you for joining a GoPro. Filmed on a DJI Osmo Action with minimal issues. Some people may not like it. Some people may love this camera. I'm happy I got a camera that works. Have a great day and enjoy.